everyone, welcome back to Daily AI Wizard. I'm Oliver Bodemer. In this episode, I want to introduce you to a project that's close to my heart, Wisdom Academy. It's a platform built to make high-quality AI education accessible to everyone, anywhere. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you what it is, how it works under the hood, and where it's headed. Let's get into it. Let's start with the problem. AI is transforming every industry out there: healthcare, finance, energy, you name it. But here's the catch. The demand for people who actually understand AI is growing far faster than traditional education can keep up with. That mismatch leaves a massive skill gap. In the US alone, there are over 1 million unfilled IT jobs. Wisdom Academy exists to close that gap. So what is Wisdom Academy? It's a privately built learning platform that combines two powerful technologies, artificial intelligence and blockchain, to reinvent professional development in tech. I built it drawing on more than 23 years of experience, including predictive AI systems at Tamra and blockchain work at IBM. The focus areas are business software development, AI, and blockchain. Exactly the skills employers are desperate for right now. And this isn't just a concept on paper. Here's the actual platform. This is the course overview from the working prototype. You can browse courses like machine learning with Python, blockchain beyond crypto, and full stack web development. Filter by category and enroll directly. Notice the Buy with WSD button? That's our blockchain-based course token in action. Clean, simple, and learner first. Now let's look under the hood, starting with the AI. At the core is a personalized learning engine, built in Python with TensorFlow and Scikit-learn. It analyzes your quiz scores, your coding exercises, your engagement, and then dynamically reshapes your learning path. In prototype testing, it identified skill gaps with 95% accuracy. On top of that sits a recommendation system curating over 500 technical modules, plus real-time analytics dashboards, so you always know exactly where you stand. Now, the blockchain side. And this is what really makes Wisdom Academy different. Every certificate you earn is issued as a tamper-proof credential on an Ethereum-based blockchain, using Solidity smart contracts. That means your certified blockchain developer badge can't be faked, and it can be verified by anyone, instantly. The same layer secures your learning data. In our stress tests, we hit 99.9% uptime with zero data breaches. For the engineers watching, here's the stack. The backend runs on Java 17 with Spring Boot 6 and OAuth 2.0 authentication. Data lives in Postgres 17 with read replicas for sub-second response times. The whole thing, the Java services, the Python AI, the database, and the Ethereum node, is containerized with Docker and runs on a hardened, self-hosted Debian server, fully under my control. Secure, scalable, and autonomous by design. And it's built to grow. Right now, the prototype comfortably handles 10,000 concurrent users, and the architecture is designed to scale to 100,000 as we expand. In our March 2025 load tests, we hit a 98% success rate under peak conditions on a 32-core, 128GB server. So as the community grows, the platform grows right along with it. But specs only matter if real people benefit. So we ran a closed beta with 50 pilot users, software engineers, and IT educators. The results? A 92% satisfaction rate and an 85% course completion rate. The AI engine was completed in December 2024. Blockchain credentialing went live in February 2025, and by March, we had a validated, late-stage prototype. The feedback has been incredibly encouraging. So who actually wins here? For learners, personalized paths speed up skill acquisition by around 40%. And verifiable credentials cut fraud to zero. For employers, access to a pre-vetted talent pool cuts hiring time by roughly 30%. A big deal when 1 million IT roles sit unfilled. And for society, an affordable, freemium model opens the door to underrepresented groups and promotes secure, ethical AI. Everybody benefits. It's worth saying that this approach is grounded in the research, not just intuition. Studies on AI in higher education consistently highlight the power of personalized learning and intelligent tutoring, while warning about accessibility gaps for diverse learners. The recommended fix is exactly what we built: scalable, inclusive, online platforms. Wisdom Academy is that research put into practice. So where do we go from here? The roadmap is all about scale and partnerships. We're planning to grow to 100,000 users, and we're exploring collaborations with companies like NVIDIA for GPU-accelerated AI training, and universities like MIT for blockchain research. The vision is to make Wisdom Academy a lasting leader in sustainable, trustworthy AI literacy. If any of this resonates with you, here's how to get involved. Head over to wisdomacademy.ai and explore the courses. whether you're just starting out or leveling up. And if you'd like to collaborate, you'll find me on LinkedIn and ResearchGate. Let's democratize AI education together. And that's a wrap on this episode of Daily AI Wizard. If you got value from it, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to break down next. I'm Oliver Bodemer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.